Hey everyone, I'm here to show you this Karinear induction cooker model 163. I got this on Amazon for $59.99. It's got perfect stars. And with this induction cooker, it's a lot more efficient to cook with something like this. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it can stir fry, deep fry, broil. You can boil water. You can do hot pot, you can make soup, and a lot of other things. Okay, so this is a very flexible cooktop. And this is the single burner, as you can see right here, but they also have multiple burners available on the listing as well. So let me go ahead and get this big box open and do a quick unboxing. There's a manual. You can see this one has a fan to keep the unit cool, and it's got feet right here to stabilize it, all corners, and there's good ventilation as well as the fan. And here's what it looks like. It's pretty beautiful, very nice and flat, so this will be very easy to clean. You just wipe it off and it should be clean. You can see it's got a digital display right here, on off button, there's a timer button, hot pot, temperature, increase, decrease, start, stop, pause. There are some preset modes right here. You can warm, water, energy, and there's a child lock button as well right here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You just put your induction compatible cookware on this. Basically anything that a magnet would stick on would work. So in the manual it says enameled iron, iron enameled, cast iron pan, iron pot, deep fry pan, stainless steel pots, iron plates, all work with this. However, these will not work if you have a rounded bottom pot, something that's aluminum, bottom measuring pots with stands. Obviously that wouldn't work. A ceramic pot wouldn't work. Anything that's heat resistant wouldn't work. Okay, so do keep that in mind. And if you hit hot pot, it'll cook at 460 degrees. Obviously you can hit these buttons right here to adjust that up and down. Here's a quick guide if anybody wants to pause the screen and take a look in case you lost your manual. There it is. There's only a couple of pages. So if you lost your manual, there it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. Please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.